One thing I think many spiritually awakened people struggle with is this feeling of emotional exhaustion, overwhelm, or just a general heaviness that can start happening when you're moving along your healing journey. And sometimes they can be unconsciously trapped in this endless healing loop, often thinking, maybe I'm doing it wrong, maybe I'm just blocked, maybe I need more healing, or just maybe I need a breakthrough, looking for the next thing that's going to make everything better. But sometimes spiritual growth feels exhausting because no one taught them how to integrate the expansion in a grounded and sustainable way. Meaning they view themselves as constantly needing to be fixed, healed, cleared, upgraded, or processing something more before they can finally feel the peace, alignment, or the love and abundance that they know that they desire. And while healing is absolutely a part of the awakening journey, sometimes people forget and become so focused on what still needs to be healing that they forgot to recognize how much they've already grown, how much awareness they've already gained, and how much expansion has already happened. At a certain point, growth requires embodiment, not just constantly seeking for the next thing to heal. An embodiment is where spiritual growth starts to become real in your everyday life. It can look like how you respond to people differently than you used to, or show up differently. It can be about you allowing yourself to rest, creating healthier boundaries, trusting your intuition faster, or just allowing more joy into your life. If spiritual growth has been feeling exhausting lately, you might simply be moving into a different phase of growth, one that is asking for more integration, more embodiment, more grounding, and more emotional coherence within your field. A phase where expansion becomes less about constantly chasing the next breakthrough and more about learning how to hold that greater alignment and energetic field within yourself, and more about learning how to hold the greater alignment, that peace, that trust, and that connection in your everyday life. Let me know in the comments what resonated with you most from this conversation. And if this topic supported you today, like or subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. Bye for now.